Unified asset visibility solutions for manufacturing and logistics. Manufacturing and logistics environments are complex, cost-sensitive, and highly dynamic. Products, equipment, and vehicles move within and between facilities, and inventory levels highly fluctuate. Production and overall operational efficiency are key success factors. It gives the ability to ship more products, at a lower cost, with less inventory, in a shorter amount of time, and can ultimately spell success for a manufacturer. In many cases, productivity is slowed or halted due to lack of visibility of the location and status of inventory, assets, and even people. Not knowing where the next work in process case or carrier is in a large manufacturing facility might lead to longer cycle times and incompliance with the production schedule. Lost items stall customer orders and cause unnecessary reproduction and waste. Equipment shared among several programs is often misplaced or missing. Line-side inventory needs to be optimized and delivered just in time. Smart Hub Cloud Platform provides much-needed clarity to these challenges, increasing visibility within manufacturing sites and delivering the tools to improve operations. Through web cloud-based software and Internet of Things architecture, Smart Hub Platform integrates into a variety of host solutions and can be embedded in the latest smart and wearable hardware technologies. How does it work? Smart Hub Asset Visibility Solution enables customers to maintain visibility in any environment throughout the enterprise by combining various sources of location, status and condition data, including active and passive radio frequency tags, GPS, wearables, advanced sensors, and even barcode into a single platform. With Smartx platform, companies can automatically keep track of key assets as they move in and out of an area, whether it's an indoor manufacturing halls, outdoor yards, or other harsh manufacturing environments. Let's take a few minutes to walk through the main features of Smartx Cloud Platform. Unified Asset Management Platform. Smartx Hub Platform uses an intuitive web interface to search for tagged assets or people, with real-time results now appearing on a map and in motion status, whether it's an indoor manufacturing halls, outdoor yards, or other harsh manufacturing environments. Critical events appear as they occur, and users can deal with the historical trail of where assets have been. A simple point-and-click interface and assure easy navigation. Smart tooltips provide detailed and customizable data per location. Floor Mapping Module displays facility map views of specific assets or groups of assets from a web-based application. Floor map or list view of specific departments and the entire facility. Visualize your operations with customizable maps powered by the collection and transmission of your items' data in real time. With a single click, users can access a map of the industrial facility or logistics yard, indicating the location of the required asset. Report Module. Customers can use their visibility data to create both standard and custom reports in graphic or chart format. Our software platform includes built-in report types and the ability to create custom reports without coding. Transform your items' data into detailed reports, dashboards, and maps that can help accelerate your drive time and mission-critical decisions. Alert Module. Alerts may be configured to improve inventory management, recall management, and preventive maintenance. Numerous events like entering, exit, overflow, shortage, dwell time, absence, and asset stock level trigger multiple alerts and notifications by mail, web services, or even changing the on-screen status of the asset for automating and improving business processes. Smart Hub Platform robust event engine is used to create a wide variety of business events based on asset location, movement, status, telemetry, or other input. The platform contains more than a dozen different types of event monitors, configurable by a simple wizard interface. These events can trigger immediately external messages in the format of web services, messages to a web user, emails, or even changing the on-screen status of the asset. Asset management. Assets can be grouped by categories, department, cost center, and groupings names, and a wide variety of asset data can be imported and batch managed. The system analytically shows when assets were checked out, how long they are checked out for, and approaching warranty dates. You are able to schedule and perform desired maintenance repairs on equipment by determining when it has reached a certain milestone, such as calibration deadline, mileage point, and expiration date or expired licenses. User authorization module. Smart Hub platform also features flexible and powerful user authorization, specifying exactly what assets and locations with a user are authorized to see. Hardware agnostic. To track an asset, we apply one variety of auto-identification technology, such as radio frequency tag, Bluetooth Low Energy, GPS, sensor technologies, and even barcodes. Those assets were read through a network of beacons, gateways, and readers with antennas managed on a proprietary and used infrastructure that Smartx provides to capture all passive movement within an enterprise and upload that data to the cloud. The tag data can then be consumed by our Smart Hub web cloud-based analytics applications. User interface. Smart Hub platform user interface is available in both standard and handheld edition for mobile devices. The platform is scalable to handle hundreds of thousands of assets and also act as a single source for displaying distributed data from sources around the world. Integration. Finally, all of the information within the Smart Hub platform is available via API or Excel files, enabling third-party applications such as enterprise resource planning or warehouse management systems. Core benefits. Our Z-STEM has delivered numerous business benefits, including providing plant management with continuous line manufacturing progress, driving lean manufacturing and automating logistics processes, automatically notifying managers before they run out of equipment or toolkits, avoiding production disruptions, empowering operators to locate the right inventory, reducing cycle time and avoiding a scrap, generating up-to-date shop order status and inventory reports and allowing managers to spend time productively, providing accurate counting of personnel and the zonal tracking, updating ERP and inventory management systems with accurate, valuable data about asset movement and status. Smartx's products accurately locate and monitor assets and people, multiple radio frequency tags and sensor technologies, to improve and automate business processes. For more information about how our solution platform can help your organization improve asset management, please visit us on the web.